Yeah, this is the tricep dip and pelvic tilt inside using a chair. So traditional tricep dips, just keep the elbows in close, full range of motion all the way down. Once you go into the dip part, you want to make sure you push that pelvis out as far as you can and stretch all the way down to get full range of motion and recruitment on the pelvic tilts. So picture your belly button going to the ceiling in this situation, full range of motion, keep the elbows in tight. The one-arm tricep extension, this is another variation of the tricep extension. You're simply going to start with the arms behind your head. Important to get your bicep next to your head, not your head next to your bicep here. Full range of motion all the way up and down, not halfway up and down. Next, notice that my bicep is very close to my head. I have to pull the arm in to make that happen. This is a very good exercise for the back of the tricep.